Hello, and welcome to another English listening practice story from SMARTROOTS Learning. Today's story is called The Playground Race. Listen carefully and enjoy. It was a sunny afternoon, and the children were playing outside. The teacher, Mr. Clark, said, "Let's have a race on the playground." All the children lined up at the starting line. Emma, Jack, and Oliver were ready to run as fast as they could. "Ready, set, go!" shouted Mr. Clark. The children dashed forward. Jack ran quickly, but Emma was even faster. Oliver tried hard, but he slipped and laughed as he stood up again. Everyone cheered loudly as Emma crossed the finish line first. Mr. Clark clapped and said, "Well done, Emma!" And great effort, everyone. The children smiled and agreed it wasn't just about winning. It was about having fun together. Thank you for listening to The Playground Race. We hope you enjoyed this story and practiced your English listening skills. Don't forget, you can download the free worksheet for this story from the description. See you in the next listening practice.